congratulations to all our good leaders and our dear parents. In line with our mission of nurturing a culture of excellence, we proudly recognize the student who has exemplified dedication and achievement. Ladies and gentlemen, for his Thanksgiving speech, it is my honor to present this year's most outstanding student and gold medalist rank 1, Mr. Renz Jester S. Aragones.
Martin Luther King Jr. once famously remarked, "Intelligence plus character. That is the goal of true education. Intellect without morality is dreadful, yet character without intellect is naive. Competence provides you with the ability, and character makes you respectable." With that said, we must strive for mastery in each, for it is essential to become truly excellent. To our respected guest speaker, to our very own school president, Dr. Emmanuel D. Magsino, school vice president, Mrs. Sarah O. Magsino, high school principal and basic education department administrator, Mr. Leslie James M. Colina, higher education department administrator, Mr. Jerickson C. Bautista, student affairs and services administrator, Mrs. Elizabeth N. Arriesgado, high school vice principal, Ms. Jovelisa T. Pablo, human resource and development coordinator, Mrs. Evangeline M. Salud, Samuelian Ministry, Research, Extension, and Community Affairs Director, Mrs. Ella May H. Timao, to our beloved teachers, staff, parents, guardians, and my fellow completers, a radiant and a propitious morning to all of us. Today, we celebrate the achievements earned through restless nights, constant discipline, and the unwavering support of our loved ones. As our team highlights the readiness of Filipino learners to lead with competence and character, may we all grow not just to become followers, but to become leaders with the capability to be great and the initiative to do great. Leadership is not only about commanding and holding a high position. An actual leader is approachable, humble, open-minded, generous, and caring. It is not someone who lacks accountability or possesses pride. Great leadership can be reflected in our simple everyday actions. It is inviting a classmate who is sitting alone, lending a hand, and admitting mistakes instead of blaming others. It requires avoiding bias, practicing equality, and most importantly, striving to become a great role model for everyone around us. At the heart of building such character and leading with purpose lies a foundation that has carried each of us through this journey. As we gather here to mark this milestone, we turn first to the source of all our strength. I acknowledge our Almighty God who has made this moving up ceremony possible. I thank Him personally for lifting me up and guiding me to this moment. This day closes one chapter as we step beyond junior high school. As a Samuelian since grade 7, I'm proud to say Samuel Christian College of General Trias Incorporated has been instrumental to my growth as a young man and student. It has built lasting bonds and instilled in us the SEC core values. For 4 years, this institution has been my second home and family. Here, I found lifelong friends, inspiring mentors, and teachers who pushed me to try again and never surrender. I am deeply grateful for this chance to honor those who shaped my journey. When I first walked through these doors as a grade 7 student, I could not have imagined all that lay ahead. To Dr. Emmanuel and Mrs. Sarah Magsino, thank you for the scholarship opportunity that has allowed us to pursue our dreams while easing the burden on our families. Your generosity has made all the difference. To my dearest parents, Mama Che and Papa Joe, this moment is as much yours as it is mine. Every achievement I hold reflects the love and diligence you poured into me. You have been my constant companions, sharing wisdom from the heart, working tirelessly to support me, and showering me with unconditional love. These gifts have given me joy, insight, and a humble spirit. More than any title or award, being your son is my greatest pride. Thank you for everything. To my grade 7 advisor, Miss Maria Rizalina Dolor Mariano, you laid the foundation to my journey as a Samuelian, helping me embrace new experiences, build lasting friendships, and navigate the new normal with joy. Thank you, Miss Mariano. To my grade 8 advisor, Miss Judy Ramos, your warmth and grace helped me turn weaknesses into strengths. Beyond English lessons, you guided me through my first leadership role as a classroom president, sparking passions I still pursue today. Thank you, Miss Judy. To my grade 10 advisor, Miss Jasmine K. Castorillo, your unwavering belief in me taught me that persistence is an achievement in itself. You pushed me to excel academically while reminding me to enjoy life as a teenager. And your support continues to this day. Thank you, Miss Jasmine. To my grade 10 advisor, Miss Maria Letimar Dutic, your kindness strengthened our classroom bonds and made our final year memorable and meaningful. Thank you for seeing us as more than just students. Thank you, Miss Lady. All of you have been like second mothers to me. I will forever cherish your care, support, and priceless wisdom. To all my subject teachers, your dedication, passion, and heart for teaching have not gone unnoticed. You pushed me to excel in every field, and your lessons have shaped more than just my knowledge. They've shaped who I am. Thank you for everything you've given us. To my family, friends, and classmates, thank you for your unwavering faith in me. To Kuya Red, Siley, the Manga Pogi, the Dwight family, the cadets, and especially Kinan, PJ, Krister, Elrich, Annie, and everyone who stood by me from the start. You've made my junior high journey rich and fulfilling. I will treasure our bonds and share lessons always. Thank you for standing with me through every challenge and cheering me on every step of the way. As we advance to the next phase of our lives, let us carry forward our competence and character. Let us take with us the positivity, knowledge, and growth we've gained, while leaving behind the setbacks that have taught us their lessons. This is our foundation for becoming great students, loving children, responsible citizens, and the leaders our world needs. Before I conclude, I leave you with a verse from Psalms chapter 78, verse 72. And David shepherded them with integrity of heart, with skillful hands he led them. May we all strive to lead like David, with character to do what is right, competence to act with skill, and hearts aligned with God's will. Thank you, congratulations, class of 2026. May God bless us all.